So I'm out here at this to-be-built neighborhood, it's been marked and whatever, and it's a great place for just flying and testing things. But I'm going to try and fly my little Morphite over here. But what I want to show you is this app called it's called RCLogbook. So it's just an app on my iPhone, and let me open that for you. On the side over here, it's called RCLogbook, and that's it there. And that's where I mark all my flights, or actually log them. So I log everything when I fly. So here's a Morphite, and let me put some on the side there, a graphic, so you get a better idea of what I'm doing. So I'm going to go into a Morphite. I'm going to look at the list of available options, and this is a list that I created that shows all the pre-flight checklist, it's called. So I created a list that said, is my Mobius power on? Yep, my Mobius is on. So I can check that. Is my Mobius recording? Yep. Lights flashing, it's recording. Yep. Is my controller, let's go look at my controller, which is over here. Is it on the right profile? Yep, it's on the right profile. Okay, let's go see. Next thing in the flight pre-flight list is my controller's timer turned on. Okay, my timer has started. Is my FPV channel on? Let's check that. So my FPV is in there. Let's get that turned on my camera. Let's get the power onto this guy. Get the power in here. Right, there it is. Let's see. Yep, I got video. Okay, everything on the checklist is done. I'm done and ready. And now it goes into a little timer screen. And let me just finish this up for a second here. There we go. Goes into a timer screen that you will slide when you arm. So let me get my controller, my radio. I'm going to now arm this copter. There it is, you can see it's armed. So I'm going to slide this, that it's now armed. And now to start the flight, I just have to shake this, and you can see when I shake it, you can see the counter starts. When I shake it, it stops. So it's got voice on here. So let me get my FPV gear on and go for a quick flight with the timer running. Okay, so I shook it in the end when I'm done now. After my flight, I shook it again, and it says I flew for 3 minutes and 41 seconds. I can now slide it to disarm, and here it, it has the location, and I can add on the GPS map. I can see my location, so I can add it here, and give this place a name if I want to. Chattahoochee Point Park. No, that's not where we are. We're actually over here today. So in that way I can now log my flight, get it out there, and it's now a part of my log. Let's go through the app a little bit more. I can show you some more detail from it, and here's all the flights, previous flights I've logged, and here's a maintenance log. I can put a copter into a maintenance mode, and I can do battery tracking. There's just so much stuff it can do. Let's have a look at some of the other stuff it can do. Well, thank you for joining us today, and happy flying, and log your flights. It's really interesting to see how much time you spent. I think this copter now is more than 3 hours in the air logged, which is pretty amazing. So thank you, and have fun.